Why do customers keep coming back?
Our customers keep coming back due to our honesty and transparency. We are not the most skilled, knowledgeable, and neither perfect mechanics, but we let the customer know if something goes wrong, a spare part delivery has been delayed, or any part has been broken. These actions have increased their trust in us. We don't want to amaze them. We commit to deliver their cars back without any problem.
What's your intention by offering courses?
We now offer a couple of courses. The first one is called Your Car's Pink ABC, where we teach women the essentials of a car so they won't get scammed when taking their cars to a shop. We teach them what the cluster's icons mean, how to replace a flat tire, how to carefully jumpstart a car's battery, what not to do in gas stations, the most relevant components under a car's hood, the emergency and safety kit. Also, some legal tips to deal with their insurance company. Another course we are implementing is Your Steering Wheel's Pink ABC, oriented to platforms drivers. It's a similar course, but with more advanced tips and knowledge, brand-oriented due to each brand's characteristics, so they get familiar with the car they are driving. We have another course where we aim to certify shops as inclusive. Sensitive issues take part in this course. This initiative may cause marketing interest, but our main goal is to create full awareness of how harassment, discrimination can put in danger a person whose passion is the automotive industry. We've also found out there are plenty of women who lead a mechanical shop, so we are preparing a management course for them. Over 20 years of experience leading a shop back me up, so you bet it will be an interesting course.
What is the Pink Angels program about?
We are aware that on highways and on the city, flat tires are pretty common. Sometimes cars won't start again, they got overheated. That's why we have been preparing a team named Pink Angels, who will have advanced knowledge to be able to assist on the road small troubles before taking the car into the customer's trustworthy shop. We are also preparing a pink driving course, where a woman will be the mastermind in charge of instructing other women how to drive. There are plenty of women who have wanted to know how to drive but didn't dare to. Some of them because they were afraid of getting into busy roads. That's why we are looking forward to creating a place where they will feel safe by learning from other women.
What would you like to say to the women who would like to take part inside the industry or who are already working in it but are going through hard times due to gender discrimination?
To all those women who are already inside this industry, and to those who want to get in but don't know how, my first suggestion is to dare to do it. Perhaps you will find out it really wasn't what you wanted, or it wasn't for you. Perhaps your skills are way better than what you imagined, but dare to do it. Feeling scared of doing it is the first step, but dare to do it. Overcome it. Don't focus on what others may think of you if you give it a shot, and then decide to not continue. Society is the worst danger of all if we don't start by changing our mindsets. And we are only going to be able to do it little by little. We, as women, need to support each other. If you know a woman who likes mechanics, be there for her instead of judging. Encourage her and help her looking for a place where she can become a mechanic. We as mechanic women don't need to use different clothing, do things differently, speak differently in order to get the job done. The only thing that matters is your dream, your goal, and the knowledge you'll be getting day by day. A day as a mechanic means to learn each single day more than you could possibly imagine.